Right then, are you looking for a real fun little car that won't break the bank? Then we've just bought this. It's a Porsche Cayman 718. It's very low miles. It's an immaculate car and a stunning car for the money. It really is. 300 brake horsepower, 4.7 seconds 0 to 60 with a top speed of 170 miles an hour. This will give you loads of smiles per miles. And with 28,000 miles on the car, in a stunning order, Carrara White. It's been serviced exclusively by Porsche. It's still got a proportion of Porsche warranty remaining on the car. And we will prepare this car for the next owner, but it just looks great, doesn't it? These Caymans have got such a big following. Carrara White is the metallic white colour. It's got a wheel upgrade in the 20-inch gloss black wheels. Porsche Crest Colour Wheel Centres. The car looks really, really nice. Now, what you're going to love about this car, one, it's its condition, and two, it's its miles. At 28,000 miles on this sort of age car, now we don't need to retail it, but it's going to give someone a really nice example of this vehicle. It's got the upgraded 2-litre, well, it's a 2-litre car, but PDK gearbox. So it's the automatic, a little bit quicker, leather and Alcantara seats. Just love this car from every angle. I think the Cayman has a real nice, unique shape about it. We've got centered exhaust pipes, which look really sporty. It's got 2 boots, one at the front, one at the back, LED front and rear lights, and just a really good car. So like I say, it's got Porsche service history. We will prepare this car for the next customer. 28,777 miles, but you know, sometimes we get so many great cars here, we forget about cars like this, which are not a great deal of money in respect of what we usually sell, but will give someone such a great driving vehicle, and one that looks fantastic in white with black wheels. I love the look of this car. 2 keys, cruise control, switchable driver cockpit on the right hand side of this. Obviously you've got a sports steering wheel, you've got paddle shifters to change the gearbox with the PDK, touchscreen infotainment with navigation, we've got a DAB radio, we've also got front and rear parking sensors. You pop the car in reverse, you'll see we've got the graphic for the front and rear sensors, digitalised climate control, sport button, switchable spoiler at the back, which comes up automatically at a certain speed, but you can actually put it up if you want to. Is it up now? Should we put it up? There we go. And also, you know, it's a 2-seater car, but I think if someone wanted to buy one with this miles on, put it in the garage, not lose a great deal of money, this could be a fantastic car for you. That is for sure. And let's have a look at the other bits that you probably want to see. So at the front, under the bonnet, we have a boot. So if I get this open, weekend bags, shopping bags, whatever it might be, they'll go nice and easily in there. And then at the back, you can see now, before I open the boot, the spoiler's there. It's gone up, looks great. We have another boot, so you can put your belongings in there. You can also put some stuff in there if you need to. So it's got practical bits and bobs. It's a 4-cylinder, flat 4 engine, 2-litre petrol, lovely car to drive, great sound, great performance, and in a really, really nice condition. It's a stunning car for the money. It's going on the website now. If you're interested, give me a call. Like I say, it does have balance of Porsche warranty still remaining on this car, which is a good selling feature. Thanks for watching.